Hello everyone, this is Mahal Hassan. I have black belt in Taekwondo. Today we will start the white belt lesson number 1. In our first lesson, we will learn how to make a fist. So first, you need to raise your hand, clench your fingers together, and bring your thumb inside. Same thing for the other hand. So that's how to make a fist. Now for the straight punch, let's put our hands to the waist and then we release one hand. We maintain the shoulders are balanced. Our elbow, while it retreats, it goes back like a back strike with the elbow. We will learn now one block. It's called low block, or in Korean we call it arimaki. So to start this block, first you need to leave one arm in front of you and the other arm over your shoulder. And then you release the arm over the shoulder, taking the place of the other arm. And the other arm is over your shoulder. After that, I will do the front kick. So in order to learn how to perform the front kick, or we call it upchogi, I need first to understand how to chamber. If you want to do the good chambering, you need to raise your knee upwards, higher than the waist, and push your hips forward. We will do that 3 times on the left and 3 times on the right by the wall. So we will stand next to the wall and we will do the count. We make sure that we pivot a bit around 45 degrees the other leg. So the other foot is pivoting 45 degrees outwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do it again. 1, now with full extension of the foot and leg. 1, 2, 3. I make sure that when I kick, I will use the ball of my foot. I do not kick with the upper face of my foot. I just kick with the ball of my foot. I need to make sure that I'm maintaining the hip extension. So I'm extending and pushing my hip forward in order to reach a longer distance as well as to be more devastating kick. So let me show you how I do it from the other angle. Another angle as well. Now we will be doing a combination of punch, arimaki, which is the low block, and the front kick together. So I will start with the kyune, junbi, punch, a walking punch, and then low block, and finally I execute the kick. I'll do it again. Punch, low block, and the front kick. So we do it first from the right and then we start from the left. And now I will show you the 3 basic stances that we do in Taekwondo. The first one is called kyune, chariot. That means attention. So feet and heels next to each other. You're paying attention, eyes forward. From that position, we move to the next position, which is called ready stance or parallel stance. From this stance, we are moving to the 3rd stance. It is called ho stance. It's clear that we have the feet are widely apart. Your hands are by your waist. You're ready to execute the blocks or the punches. Now for the footwork, this is very important in Taekwondo. Let's start with the first footwork essential. The first essential motion is called feint motion. So you move your head and front leg as if you want to kick or initiate something aggressive. So that's just to deceive your opponent, and then you will do something else. Next, we will do switch feet in place. So we will, from the feint motion, we will switch feet in place, and then I will initiate my kick. I put the footwork all together. The first one is the feint motion. I do that, and then I follow it with switch in place with a front kick. So this is to deceive your opponent and start attacking him. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment below, and see you on the next video. Bye.